Good morning, Connecticut. It's Johnny Flynn, and the debate tournament is ready to roll. We're inviting candidates. We just invited Linda McMahon to narrate or nominate, and she's coming to the Bridgeport Lincoln dinner on August 7th, next Saturday. And between you and I, the $1,000 seats sold out first. So there are going to be some high net worth individuals there. I know Roy's going. Frank Recchia, News Channel 12, offered to cover it. And we haven't heard from the RTC of Bridgeport yet, but I have one guy's email address. I'm going to send him an email when we get finished. But I want to highlight one article which typifies what's happening. Absolutely typifies what's happening. Here it is. Ready? Read the article. The name of the article is Border Patrol releases 50,000 migrants into the U.S. without a court date. We have no way to track them. We don't know who they are. If you look here, 16,000 failed to appear at the ICE office within the 60-day limit, and $27,000 remain within the time frame of reporting. As far as seeking asylum goes, the judge here, where a judge will decide whether to process their asylum cases. The decision to release migrants without giving them a court date was reportedly made because of a major increase in the number of illegal border crossings. Okay, this is what I want to talk to you about. I met with Tong and Congress Lady Jahana Hayes at a Hayes event. And we were talking about illegal immigrants, and Tong spoke about his father overstaying his visa and being subject to deportation, which was horrific. And President Nixon pardoned him, a Republican. So Tong has a hatred pretty much for Donald Trump and sued numerous times over the border crossing. But I was allowed a question in the audience, which was basically this. If attorneys are commissioners of the court, why in Norwalk, my town, the immigration attorneys collect fees from hundreds, if not thousands, of undocumented people, collect their fees, act as their attorney when they get arrested, when they apply for asylum, or, for whatever reason they need an attorney to work on cases about their relatives, their friends, their cousins, their leases, their businesses, their driver's licenses, wherever they get into trouble. And the Norwalk immigration attorneys advise the client, the undocumented client, not to appear in court. In Norwalk, commissioners of the court take money from undocumented people and advise them not to go to court. This is a breach of duty. I notified Mr. Tong, our Attorney General. He said, Mr. Flynn, you and I agree to disagree. So, our Attorney General does not follow federal law. Jahana Hayes does not follow federal law. They need to be replaced in our sanctuary state. Let me show you my bumper sticker. Anybody who wants one, I've been handing them out by the droves. Here it is. It says, Connecticut is not a sanctuary state. Help us secure a U.S. Senate seat. It's vitally important because If our own Congress does not obey the law, our own elected officials, keep in mind, Governor Lamont is involved with a cover-up that's mentioned in the Stanford Superior Court. If you look up the case, you will see it. FST CV 20502 3122-S. Flynn versus Kilcoyne Collins. Numerous cops involved in a murder. There you go, folks. Have a great day. Read the complaint. It's important, and no one came to court with me, and the next court date is coming up. But we're going to file a new case on 5G. It's going to have 18 defendants, and I need affidavits of people who have hypersensitivity issues to 5G. Not only is it killing the Blue Jays, but it's affecting your immune system during a pandemic. It is frying your immune system. By the way, 5G has many of the same symptoms as COVID-19. Did you know that? Over 20 of the same symptoms. Are you suffering from COVID? Or are you suffering from 5G? It's going to come down the pike, and we are watching our country open its borders to fentanyl, human trafficking, disease, the variant, terrorism, and it's our legislators' fault. Have a great day. I'm at 7 minutes. I don't want to make it any longer because you guys are averaging less than the video length. Have a great day. I just want to give you an update about the 16,000 people who skipped court. That's just out of the 50,000 they let in. Now, if they didn't serve them with papers, they may not have their names, which means they can't be tracked. The federal government is tracking you, but not the undocumented. It's kind of scary. How many gang members are in that group? How many coyotes? How many families that don't have their own child in the group? They're finding thousands and thousands of fake family registrations, and you need to wonder what's happening with these kids. Human trafficking's no joke. It certainly is a joke in Connecticut, because from 2006 to 2016, there were 400 human trafficking arrests and 0 prosecutions. 0 prosecutions. That means that women were used as and trafficked for profits and mistreated, most likely, and arrested, most likely. Have a great day. If you don't do anything about human trafficking, if you're not concerned about it, I don't want your vote. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.